Naghahanap ba kayo ng pre-selling condominium na malapit sa malls, schools, offices at iba pa? Hi guys, this is Kel from MegaWorld at the Fort, and this is the Uptown Modern inside the Uptown Bonifacio Township. Rising at the corner of the 9th Avenue and 40th Street in Uptown Bonifacio, Uptown Modern puts you steps away from the hottest malls, top schools, world-class hospitals, and endless city fun. Plus, future Metro Manila subway access. This is the one-bedroom demo unit of Uptown Modern. Upon entering, meron tayong foyer na sasalubong sa inyo. And on your right is the maid's bedroom. Meron tayong free washer-dryer. And meron din tayong toilet and bath. Actually, this maid's room can be turned into another room. Depende sa magiging interior nyo. And this is your kitchen. Complete kitchen na meron tayo. Quartz countertop, box-type sink, retractable faucet, 2-zone burner cooktop, range hood, built-in microwave oven, and built-in refrigerator. What you see is what you get. Kasama na rin yung mga kitchen cabinet natin. So in front of it naman is your living and dining area. Meron tayong isang split type aircon na naandito para palamagin ang area, and meron din tayong access sa balcony. Let's move on to the toilet and bath. Complete na rin with sink, toilet, shower, and glass partition. What you see is what you get. This one is the main bedroom natin, or the master bedroom. Very spacious. May libre na rin cabinet with mirrors and a view to the outside na meron kayong wall na glass. Floor to ceiling na yan. So, napaka-premium. So, para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung unit na to, panoorin nyo itong susunod na clip.